Hello, welcome to this short demonstration on the use of sql-ledger for restaurant operations. When we talk of restaurants, the basic idea that comes to our mind is to this small mama put by the side of the road where we can go there and get the basic needs such as eating food that is very cheap and affordable. But in a wider sense, as a restaurant provides services even more than that. The benefit to be gained from the using sql-ledger is among many that your accounting system will be streamlined. You can get your report real time, and you can integrate seamlessly with your existing business to stay in business, to make it very easy for you, and it will enhance cost control. This is very, very important. Let's take a look at some of the charts of accounts we have. If you look at the charts of accounts here, these are some of the items that we have. This has been done to facilitate the posting of transactions. These are for your receivables. These are inventories that you need all the while, and the property or plant that equipment that you may have. We also have internal accounts. These are accounts that you buy and you issue out to your various departments of the restaurant. We also have the cash and cash equivalent. We have the front office, the restaurant itself, the bar, the laundry, and then we have petty cash. We also have the accounts, the equity side of the accounts. We have non-current liabilities, current liabilities. We also have income. Now, income could be obtained from a restaurant by, if maybe they have a small rooms or lodging or recreational areas for which they rent out to members of the public. Then the meals from the restaurant itself. Then we have the bar and the lounge where people come and spend their time. We have a lot of activities there. You have food, you have drinks, alcoholics and non-alcoholics drinks. Then we have other income. Maybe they have some businesses that they receive rent and other services, and so on and so forth. For those of us that are accountants or have a flair of accounting, you understand what a chart of accounts should look like. This has been very, very widely done so that it will capture almost everything that we need to run a restaurant business successfully. Now, in this demo too, we want to we created some customers. We just created a few because in a restaurant business it will not be wise to go there and they'll be asking people what is your name so that I can write your receipt or produce your invoice. The customers will be arranged and according to tables. So once you come to the customer and you have anything to sell, you go to account receivable, sales invoice, and from the sales invoice you see a lot of things that are there. If you look at here, you will see you have the cash guess. I can use the account receivable, or I could use a POS. If I click on the sales, this POS will come up and all the items we need to quickly enter the transactions of our customers are here and where they will be recorded. the customer number. This is a cash customer. Definitely, we don't have people eating in a restaurant on credit. So let's assume that this customer comes in and he wants drinks. Once you click on these drinks here, this will expand and you take the type of drinks. Is it see drinks one here? You click on this drinks beer. You want to take some beer. The prices have been listed. Let's assume the man takes first one, and that's 3. Once you click, it will populate. Click on continue. It will populate with the amount that you're supposed to pay for that service. Remember, it's excluding tax, so tax will be added. VAT and service charges will be added accordingly. Now let's go back to main groups again. Once you click on main groups, you now enter the restaurant dishes. You have plenty of them here. Let's assume we want to take African dishes. We have semovita with fish, wheat with goat meat, and gari with beef. Let's assume the person takes semovita with fish. You click on continue. The price will be added here automatically. Now, if you go to the restaurants again and you click, it will now give you the pepper soups that you have. You can take one of them, African pepper soup. Let's say this time you decided that you will eat goat meat with goat meat pepper soup. You click and you add. Now, this will be done when you have a customer who comes in and place an order while sitting at a particular table. These orders could be taken down and the attendants will bring it back to the accountant who is stationed in the restaurant, who will quickly before supplying this to the customer, he will now be able to get the bill ready. By the time he finishes and is going to pay, this is the total amount here, 3990. You put the amount here, 3990. Let's assume you have submitted. It's cash, and you are going to receive it in the cash point, because in this demonstration too we have separated. We put the cash points so that differently, so that you can easily pay. So if you want a receipt, if you now go into, if you say print here, you will see this is how the POS printer will come out, and these are the items that are here. Now let's go back. Now if you say update, this is what you are going to get. The total amount has been updated here. So if he's going to pay, the balance here is going to be 3990. This is what you have paid. The food is actually 3600, but because of VAT and service charge, this is what you have here. So when you have that, you can now go ahead with this and post. So let's assume you now say post. Good, it has posted. So for you to know what has transpired, you can go to the trial balance and click on trial balance and click on continue. With continue, that small transaction, you could see how much has been earned. The cash office has 3,990, and the VAT and service charge has been calculated automatically. We have earned 3,200, and income from bar, that's that drink you took, is 400 naira. This is how this will be reflected. You can get your income statement by clicking on income and click on continue. When you click on continue, you can see that we've earned 3,600 here without going to the expense. So This is just a very small demonstration of what a SQL Ledger can do. You can check their balance sheet. When you click on it, you can go ahead and click. You see it's already been prepared and everything is balanced up. So the benefits of SQL Ledger for the use of any restaurant business are numerous. It has so many benefits that could be gained from the use of SQL Ledger. The accountant will have little work to do because the accounts will be up to date at any point in time, and you have very little to worry about. SQL Ledger is a key. As many as 10, 20, 30 people can log in on the software um, simultaneously, and it will work and serve. This is unlike the proprietary softwares where you each employee logging in will require payment of money, payment of a lot of money, and that's most of them you pay per month and per user. So this is just a brief demo on what SQL Ledger can do. If you have any questions, please let me know